Hello, my name is Nicholas Lee, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. First, you want to fold the paper in half long ways. Next, you're going to want to fold the corners to the crease you just made. Then you're going to fold this edge to this crease. Then fold the paper plane in half. Finally, fold the top of the wing to the bottom of the plane. And bring it back up. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys learned something new. Goodbye.